Oh, car flock. My garage is a mess. Let me even put this on. Ah! Bruh. What's up, car flock? Unnecessary. Ta-da! Ta-da. Ta-da! So my window button right here broke in the G, so it's time for me to replace it. Just go inside. Dang, son, where'd you find that? I don't care what y'all say. Yeah, my car dirty. Fight me. Right. According to the video I watched, it was pretty simple. Oh, okay. So just pop these up. Video. But y'all would get a real reaction out of me if I crack any of this stuff. So I have a habit of moving fast. There we go. So y'all kind of see the difference in color if you can. So what I gotta do is I gotta disconnect these. So I'll be back. The power of YouTube. This piece right here was actually pretty tough to kind of, yeah, this one was kind of tough to get out. And that's the bottom part of it. So this didn't take long. I know the cup part broke, so I'll be replacing this. Like I want this olive so it really look decent. I flexed the side of this, it should come right out. So like pop. So let's see. I mean, he was right. Like literally just came out. So this is the old one. Now this has been on the car, I'm sure, since 2009, since the car was released. So got the new one in. What we want to do is we're gonna see. Ooh. Crack in the center. I have to go back and look at this video, but I'm pretty sure that was not there. It's not a big deal, but I mean, it's a big deal to me. But overall, like I said, that was the repair. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Very small video, very short video, car flock. So I'm out. Y'all have a happy and wonderful Friday. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.